One day, many years ago, when we started the ministry, we used to have a women's ministry. And the day was here one day. We lived at Adenta. So while she was leaving, she said, baby. So she left the car. We had one car. So she left the car, went with taxi, and she came here. And I was preparing for a major convention. I have been invited by another ministry. I was preparing in my prayer room. And then these two children are just, no, at the time they were 3. They were just disturbing. So I came out and I told them, you need anything, I'm here. But keep the noise down. I'm preparing. I'm waiting upon the Lord. I need fresh oil, fire to prophesy, fire to minister, fire to... Make us say, nah, they are doing like this. Make us say, nah, they are doing fire to, Ijao me bompire libara kora bahata dada me tisa pruna be a pine. I'm saying, why no? Oh, now we are to use them. Came out, gave them chocolates and all that. I said, take it easy, relax. And ubia nini lemo. I went back. Now, baby, second time. Now, baby, third time. They disturbing. Now, the disturbance is soon on top of the album. I'm saying, hey! Hey, I am not the only parent here. Now, me tia musano omwesu na straight no mejai. Don't disturb me. We call back, oh, Nelson, no, so I came, started the can and said, everybody come out. Pierre, we'll be on him, sit down, sit. We started the car, then straight to Tesano. When I got here, then I said, you see this gate? They said, yes. I said, you know this place? They said, yes. Which place is this? Says this is Alabaster. At the time they said this is Alabaster house. I said thank you. Get down and go into the church. When you go, you will see your mommy standing there. Stay in the church whilst I go home. To musi from no dimrika no mukonkaka ni to mu pineapple. To me tidinti a Mother's Day no a high tension. Na Father's Day no a low tension. Etiasi. But the Bible made a submission, and I'm going to close with that. And it's Proverbs 23:22. He said, listen to your father because he gave birth to you.